Audi RS5. I'm going to show you how to remove the oversized number plate holder and swap it with something like this. Let's get into it. So the Audi RS5 comes with a rather large number plate holder, and Australian plates are quite small. So I'm going to show you how to remove this and replace this in this place. So we put a bracket on and a plate. The first thing you're going to do is just remove this, which is just 2 factory screws in the middle. Now that you have your plate holder off, you're just going to put this in its place. It just slots in perfectly. Use the screws provided and put it into the same factory hole positions. I've got the factory mounting box off the car and I've shrunk it down to something small using our delete kit. Now you go pair it up with a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. So what that means is, if you have a Victorian slimline, you grab a slimline bracket. I've got a 3 to 4 character plate here, so I'll grab a 3 to 4 character Victorian bracket. I'll put it on there, then I'll put on my plate, and I've got some covers to go on the end too. There you go, remove the oversized factory number plate holder and I've shrunk it down to this nice and small. It also shows a nice RS grill as well. Just remember, the delete kit, you have to pair it up with a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. But other than that, I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.